We're going to take a look at how to go from ClosetPro software off to PartNester and then on to the CNC. So we have my ClosetPro software opened up. I'm just going to click open to open up the design of the closet. As we could see, here is the design. You could always go to the 3D view and take a look at what this closet is going to look like. Once we are done here and the design is completed, I'm going to continue on to step 4 and then finish the closet. When we're on our customer's page, here we have the option for PN, and we can see when we hover over top of it, it says PartNester Export. Going ahead and clicking on that option now downloads an XML file, and it is brought into my downloads folder. So I'm going to right click on the XML file and choose Open With, and I'm going to come over and choose PartNester 4. This is going to start the nesting process and the building out of all of the components of the closet. Once it's finished, we will see the layout of all of the parts, along with the material type in the upper left and how many sheets in total we have. So we are viewing sheet 1 of 4 across our material of 96 by 48. Could use the slider bar to view the different sheets. Once we've made any selections or changes we might want to make and we're ready to go to the CNC, we will just click the button for Create Toolpaths, give it a name, then save. When this process is completed, we will have one G-code for every nested sheet, and we will see that in the location of the folder that we have saved that to. We're going to take a look. Zooming in, we could see the arrows and the lines are pointing out the direction of the cut, and I noticed that my cut path right now is set to climb. That really should be a conventional cut, so I'm going to change that now for the next time. Clicking conventional, saving that as a template, so the next time I save out, that change will be applied. I'm going to take a look at the downloads folder where I chose to save that. I gave it a name of closets, and it prefixes the name with toolpath. So everything inside of this folder is what we need for the CNC. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4 G-code files. We also have a HTML file that is going to allow us to view all of the sheets and all of the parts across all of the sheets, giving the material name, the sheet name, and what parts are on that sheet. We also have a labels file and all of our labels for all of the parts for each item in that job. The XML job XML is also a layout that we could take over to the CNC to use to make printing of the labels easier using the PN label print.